Menteri Rangba Kejala Konrad ke Sangma Hakakat Santri Unaiwing ulapi ba ya ka jingte ka wapan kelador bat pen internet ya ka benta jong ka IGP point Hashlong ka badai ru shibenta jong ka sinjam ban pen kelador ya kisuro ya ka balas dang nadu ubnai leber arhajar arpusau. Haba ai jingkren ha ka jingalang u Konrad ulaong bawat la ka ni ka jing pen kubdur themai ka dei ka jaka ka berit Henry ka dei pat ka sinjam ha ka jing persyang berpun kup ya ka dur themai ba internet ya ka nong ba shlong bat ban pentip rup babun ki jaka ki sami ki ba kum kini ki jing te pen internet. Menteri Rangba u pentip rup banakal yang ka sorkar kala dep ban raina ke benta bante ya ki 4-star hotel hapo Orchid Polo bat ba ka jing te kan sedang nok shen. Ngin persyang ban penenkam ya baru ki nong kenti bat ki jaka balat ki baka sorkar kadan bat hakini ki khat ar benai ki banwan la khmi lenti bakan don ke jingpen keladur ke bakrau ha kanong ba shlong ula benram nalor kata UCM ula pentip ru baka integrated command center kaladon ha ke benta ke bajan dep artat bat ya ke ba on saplino shen ki weipat ki balaya don lang ha kani ke jingalang ki kentup yo sembut menteri Rangba uba snyawa lang dhar lembat ki wei ki he officer hadir nakal yang menteri Rangba haringkat ki he ki han ki layak lingba nakani ke jaka support sekretariat da ka bependen kam ya ka walkway.
This is a very small space that has been made, as mentioned by our Commissioner Secretary. But this is a step towards what we are trying to do to really lift up the overall feel and look and the space of Shillong City. And as mentioned by Commissioner Secretary, that as we move ahead, you will see many of such locations being developed. And this is, as I said, just the beginning of what's happening. And you will see slowly and steadily that all the junctions will be beautified in this manner so that it creates space for people to be in. And it's very important for us to ensure that we are using this existing space that we have in a very logical and in a very practical manner. So I'm very happy that this small step has happened. I'm really looking forward to the bigger outcomes that are going to be there, and and many other things that are moving forward. I also would like to take this opportunity to inform you that yesterday I was announcing about the 7-star resort that we are targeting for Orchid in Umiam. But I also would like to inform you that we have just finalized for a 4-star hotel to be put up in Orchid Polo. That has already been finalized. And like that, many other things are happening. So the construction for the Polo Orchid, the entire old building will be dismantled, and private party has been selected through proper process. And now the construction of a 4-star hotel will start coming up in Polo. So like this, the assets and the land that we have of the government, we are ensuring that we are able to maximize the utility. You are seeing the construction of the parking lot that's coming up right next to the additional secretariat. Like that, there'll be many other locations that are coming up. So we expect that in the next 12 months, we should see a major facelift in the overall look of Shillong City. And we're hopeful that the walking space that we're creating will also be used by the people. And of course, our larger project of shifting the entire administration out of the current city and taking it to the new administrative city will be the major change for our city. And once that happens, we're very sure that it will lead to major decongestion of Shillong City. So without saying too many things, I'm once again thankful to the department, to Honorable Deputy CM for all the efforts that have been put in. Last, I'd just like to mention to you also that the Integrated Command and Control Center is also ready. We should be inaugurating that also very soon. As you can see, this is one of the towers that is there, that is going to send the information and signal to the Integrated Command and Control Center. So this is also a very important aspect that will allow us to monitor crime or monitor the traffic and all other aspects through a very strong integrated system, which will be then centralized at the Integrated Command and Control Center. So these are all things that are happening. And once again, I thank all the officials and the designers who were involved in this. Again, last point that we have used local material, as you can see. This is again something very encouraging, and we really want to continue doing this. We are all very happy that finally in Martin also the legacy waste is finally being now treated. So we are hopeful that that also within the next 12 to 18 months we should be able to complete the entire cleaning up of Martin also, which has been a long pending issue. And as mentioned by Commissioner Secretary, the compost that has come out from the initial phases of the cleaning up is being used here and in many other locations around the city. So once again, wishing you all the very best. Thank you and congratulations.
Many things that need to be done, but one of the things is creating more public spaces, redoing our junctions in such a way so that the traffic movement becomes smoother. And also, if we see that side, we have also demarcated more footpaths. We are doing some tactical urbanization experiments so that we can create more footpaths so that more people can walk and have junctions as public spaces. This is just the starting. We already, as we all know, we relocated Anjali, so Anjali will be next. Barik also, where the DPR is ready. So all the junctions slowly, of course, and the main one will be Kindailat. We'll do that. Some of the salient features of this, we tried to use a lot of local cultural material because while it is built following modern principles of traffic and traffic management, we wanted to be sure that our local culture, whether it is bamboo, whether it is cherry stone, is used. And we want to create a unique identity as this booth, and the local architect Nathaniel is here, so he has designed it. I'm also very happy that all the compost that we use, the soil, is from is from Martin. So in Martin, because we have already started cleaning up the whole legacy waste, so we are getting a lot of compost. We have already checked, and this compost can be used for agriculture and for crops. So all the earth and compost we have used here is from Martin. So we have tried to kind of incorporate everything that is local but make it like a beautiful space for the public.